Hello, my name is Carlos Labib, and I'm a fuel supplier here at Dam Bunkering. So, what are integrated marine solutions? The integrated marine solution concept from Dam Bunkering is an end-to-end solution for large-scale offshore projects, from the initial stages concerning budgets and planning, through subsea construction and installation of the rig, to the continuous work of operation and maintenance. Our customizable integrated marine solution concept contains 5 elements. We specialize in comprehensive offshore fuel services, offering offshore fuel delivery, in-field fueling capacity, reduced downtime and fueling, and secured fuel supply. By partnering with us, you can reduce downtime associated with fueling, keeping your operation running smoothly and profitably. We combine our hands-on knowledge of fuel supplies with optimized operations, new fuels, risk management, and other complementary services to improve your entire value chain. If you're interested in learning more about the integrated marine solutions and how we could support your business, our professional team is ready to assist you.